Hey everybody, my name is Robert. If you haven't been to this channel, please check out my videos, and if you happen to like it, please subscribe. And if you've been here before, welcome back guys. Truly appreciate you. So I am in front of my 2017 Toyota Tacoma, which I've coined Hardshell Taco, and with my oldest son Jesse, because we are going to be installing something that I think is really needed for this truck. Since 2016 they've come out. They actually have USB connections to help charge the phone, but it's not very strong. And the second thing is that the QI charger, if your phone can be charged by QI, which is wireless, isn't that strong either. So that's why I wanted to show you this mod. I think it's a must-have. So let's check it out, guys. The first thing we have to do our work is we have to remove this radio cover. So you're just going to kind of grab it from the side and just yank on it slowly. Don't be too scared. It'll just pop out. I usually go to the right and then I work it so I can get the left side out. Just slowly do it, and now it's off. And you can see it's all one piece that pops off.
Okay, we're gonna unscrew this in 1 second. We're gonna unscrew this now.
So there's 4 bolts, unbolted. 4 bolts, one here, one here.
Right now I'm on
one here, one here. So he's gonna take care of that.
So
all we have to do is yank it to get to the wires in the back.
All 4 bolts are out.
Yep.
So
I'm gonna yank it to get to the bolts in the back. This was a blank spot I had. I actually used it for my front camera system and my older setup, but I didn't want to use this button anymore. It was actually right here, and I replaced it with a USB 3 connector. The way you get this out, you grab it from behind. Some people will get it from the front and pry it, but I went and got it from behind since I had to access my radio and also access power. And then I just popped this out and it went right here. Now I understand some of you guys, the auto guys, I have a manual, so that's a quick explanation that why I have a blank here. But the auto guys, this is your ECT location. So some people, I don't think this QI is really worthwhile or necessary, honestly, because it's a very slow charging unit. With this thing, this is actually a Qualcomm 3.0, so this will be a fast charging unit. So that is the advantage of this. This USB spot here, this is a slow charge as well. So you could replace this if you know you're not going to run a flash drive here. And then what I did next is, it came with these wires. There's a plug here. It pushes in, by the way. So when you get this one in, you push it in. And then you run the wire here, or the harness. And what I did here is, it has a fuse and it has a positive connection. I ended up using a tap to go into the cigarette lighter spot. Oh, another alternative is, besides tapping into the cigarette lighter here, you can go ahead and run add a fuse through this line and go to the fuse block over here. And that's pretty easy. I've done a couple other things that way. Then you just reconnect this to the harness that belongs to the QI, and then we'll demonstrate how fast it charges. It's really impressive from what I understand. Okay, so we'll be right back after we put this radio in. So when you turn on ignition, the USB is going to be on, and it's going to show this orange and blue. And I switched phones because I have a Samsung S10 Plus, and it uses a USB-C plug. And I wanted to show you the fast charging because my phone does show it. So let's go ahead and
we're gonna plug this into the quick charge, and we're gonna put the phone there.
Yeah, usually I mount my phone right
and then
there.
We'll plug it in. It finally says, fast charging still.
Fast charging. So fast charging is Qualcomm 3.0. So that's how you can tell that it's actually charging faster. And you can see I'm at 68%, and then now it's 43%. So does the bottom one do the same, Jesse? Let's see.
No, that one charges slower.
So the bottom one's a slower charger. Just do it again. The bottom one is a slower charger, but it's still I think 2 amps.
You power that on.
That's okay, but it's still 2 amps on that one. So it's the top one. But I think this is a good addition for you guys. Joanna, we're almost done, okay? So I think this is a really good addition for you guys that want a faster charging connection. So okay, So okay, I'm in the truck with everybody. I want to say thanks again for Jesse for helping me. The USB connection was a great addition. It's that's right, Joanna. It's a great addition. It's only 20 bucks for that. I'll link where you can get it on Amazon below. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please post below. And I need to take these guys to pizza because that's why they're rowdy right now. They're getting really hungry. So that's dad life. So I want to say again, thanks again for all your support. And what do you say, Jesse?
Peace out.
Peace out, guys.